Hi, this is Arya. Please subscribe to Talks of Cities.
Hi,
Hello, hi.
how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. Thank you. So, you understand Tamil or the interview fully in English?
எனக்கு Tamil தெரியும், but I prefer talking in English so that I can have better conversation with everybody.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Then I'll try to speak in English. But
Yes,
please forgive if there are any grammatical
Ari,
mistakes. Okay.
vice versa.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Super. And suddenly live count increased to 135 and it is keeping on increasing because of you. Okay, okay. Tell a huge hi to your fans because they are all
Hello.
joining.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Priyanka Patel. Hi, Jishnu. Hi, Manish.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
comments, you don't worry. I will make sure that all the comments are delivered to you. Other than hi, because mostly people will send hi.
Hi,
Other than
yeah.
that, if there are any interesting questions, I'll
Questions.
definitely
Right.
ask to you. Okay. Okay. So how are you and where are you currently?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. And I'm at my home in Mumbai with my parents.
Mumbai. Okay,
Yeah.
super. So my name is Murli Prashant. I am working as an anchor in Talks of Cinema.
Hi, Murli. Hi. Thank you for
Yeah,
coming
thank you.
live and approaching to come today for this
Yeah,
session.
it's my pleasure to interview you because I have seen you in movies, big screen. Now chatting with you in video call, it's a very good experience, and really, it's my pleasure.
Thank you. That's sweet of you.
Yeah. So, how is the situation in Mumbai? Because I heard that there are a few more cases coming up. So that's why
Yeah.
I'm speaking with
The
you.
situation is little bad compared to other states and cities.
Hmm.
But we all are keeping safe and taking necessary precautions. As you can see, that it was my birthday day before,
Yeah.
and my friends had also come, but we couldn't like meet. We had to give like flying hugs, just how we give flying kisses. We had to give flying hugs and like flying shake hands, not touching and maintaining the distance. But I had a wonderful birthday. And I would also like to tell you that there were a lot of behind the scenes for making my birthday as a surprise in this lockdown, which
Oh,
is really difficult. And
yeah.
I've opened a YouTube channel today. And
Hmm.
past 2 days, I've been editing my whole video about the birthday, about its behind the scene, whatever my friends were planning one day before, 2 days before, even a week before. So I'm going to post the link um, in my bio. So please do
Sure.
check out just after this session is done. I'll just keep the link in my bio and then we can see it.
Yeah. So yesterday I started following you in Instagram. So today
Okay.
YouTube channel also I'll like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yes, and the
Okay.
name is Vaibhu's Vibe.
Vibe's Vibe.
Yeah,
Wow,
Vibe.
what
Yeah.
a cute name.
Thank
So
you.
we will see many videos from you in YouTube in future.
Yeah, you can expect that. But I've been really immature as of now. So this is my first video, and it was made on mobile by various people, me, my friends, my father. So please excuse for the little depletion of the quality. But then for sure, I'm going to get a camera and I'm going to present you with better things around in YouTube.
Yeah. But your network is very good. Now I can see you very clearly, and your videos also clarity is so good.
Yeah, thank you for the
Yeah.
Wi-Fi. Yeah,
Yeah, because most of the live, what will happen is we can't able to connect well. The network issue will
yeah,
be there, but your
true.
network, touch wood, is very good.
Yeah, touch wood, it's very good. I've been
Yeah.
actually
So,
waiting, like I was looking that how do I keep my camera that it won't fall because I am little late to come live, to be honest, a few minutes late. And I was just thinking that I should like keep the tripod, etc. But then I saw you live already, so I just thought I should just come and say hi. Sorry for the
yeah,
stutter.
because I am also doing like that, only, no tripod and all. So what I
Yeah,
am doing is I have a laptop in front of me. I'll keep
hmm
my phone in that laptop. That's it.
yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's a good
Yeah.
idea.
Yeah, because then there won't be many shakes. If I keep it in my hand, means there are many
Yeah.
shakes, and also people are saying that they can't see my face so close. So that's the main reason. Yeah, I got a comment in from one of the YouTube viewers. So that's the thing. And okay, now let's see a few questions from the fans. And most of them are asking when is your next Tamil movie going to release and what are your upcoming projects?
Okay, so next Tamil movie, I would say as of now, because of lockdown, I've been just like people are just approaching and we're just discussing about the script and all. So nothing is happening on floor as of now. But surely after this Corona thing is gone, once the whole industry comes on the track, I'll definitely do a Tamil movie. Like I'm waiting for a really good script because I'm learning. I would say that I hardly know Tamil industry as a whole because I've
Mm-hmm.
been born and brought up watching Bollywood movies and some Hollywood movies. So my perception is way different than what our Tamil audience is. So I need to understand that and choose my roles and scripts accordingly. This is what I believe by now. So definitely I'm waiting for good script to come up. Secondly, my upcoming project is in Kannada called as Galipata 2. So we are
Okay.
done with half of the schedule and half is stuck. So even before this lockdown, we were planning to go out of India. But
Okay.
unfortunately, out of India, things were pretty bad already. By March, I guess India is facing corona. Like January it
Mm-hmm.
started, but from March it's been severe. But from Feb only, we decided not to go abroad and just to wait till things come to normal. But it is not. So now we have to wait. Let's see when is the next half.
Yeah, yeah. And your Tamil movie Sarvar Sundaram is waiting for release, right?
Oh God, it's like, it's like, what do I say? It's like one of my kid. It's like one of my babies, which who is in orphanage, and I'm just waiting for that baby to come to me.
Yeah, because initially they had planned some release date and again it got pushed. And
Yeah,
they have also
big
started
time.
telecasting songs and all. It was very good. Actually, I saw one of your songs and
Yeah.
you look very pretty in that.
Thank you,
So
thank
we are
you.
hoping that movie releases soon because
Even I hope, yeah.
once Corona and the lockdown gets over, it's a perfect time for that movie to get released because it will be full of humor and
Yeah.
people will enjoy it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
Also, we
yeah.
were planning to release this movie on Amazon or any of the OTT
Mm.
platforms. But let's see, I guess down south, the situation with the distributors and producers is not really going well. Like, it's not amiable with context to
Mm.
OTT platforms because they don't really want to portray, like, give away their films on such platforms. They want it on big screen first and then in web. So let's see how's it going.
Yeah, yeah. But I guess today Jyotika's ma'am
Yeah,
movie got released, Ponmagal Vanda. So it
yeah,
got released in Amazon and June 17th or 19th, we have another movie from Kirti Suresh. Penguin is
yeah,
getting released in.
Penguin. Right, right.
So I
Even
guess,
in Bollywood, there is one movie which is coming up by 19. Amitabh Bachchan sir's movie is also there.
and
So
Ayushmann Khurrana.
yeah, yeah, right.
So eagerly waiting. So whenever and wherever the movie releases, I'm sure that people will watch for you and Santanam sir. So don't worry about it.
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
So most of them are asking hi, hi only. Other
Hi
interesting,
is something, yeah, guys. Hi,
yeah.
hi, Solunga. Like, you're telling hi, but Jeda,
Any interesting
வேற
questions
question சொல்லுங்க.
definitely.
ஆமா.
Yeah. Yeah. So what are all the hobbies you developed in this lockdown?
Uh, One hobby that I've developed past 2 days is editing. And I
Editing.
have immense respect for people who edit, even for movies. I already knew like what kind of a hardship it is. Like I had sympathy, I can say that for that work, like for that effort. But now it's empathy. I can literally feel how it is to literally edit everything. And when you can see that something is wrong with the framing or angle, or there's no continuity, which most of the actors face this problem, or even the editors, it is damn difficult. Then BGM, then all those effects, etc., etc. You can just go and see my YouTube video. That is all I could do in 2 days, including like I've put up 12 to 15 hours doing this video edit. It's my first attempt, so of course I took time, but it's no easy job.
Super, super. And there is one huge comment. I'll read it for you. Shabir, Vaibu in her birthday inspired everyone by making a sad girl follower of her happy with strong words. It was very inspirational. Love her so much. So
Love you
tell
too.
her,
Love
tell
you
tell
too.
me about that. So you can see that comment, right?
Yeah, yeah, I can read that
Yeah,
comment.
yeah, yeah. I guess his name is Shabir, right?
Shabir, yeah, thank you, Shabir. It's so sweet of you. And sad girl follower. Everyone by making a sad girl follower of her. Like, as in, I didn't get the exact meaning of this. You mean to say Shabir is a girl's name? Shall I assume
Uh,
that?
no. What he is saying is that let me go to Vaibhavi in a birthday inspired everyone by making sad girl follower of her happy.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Sad girl follower of mine. Yeah, I
yeah,
remember
yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
girl name
Some
is
random girl,
Chaitra.
not Shabir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Chaitra, she is also watching this live now. I saw one of her messages asking me which is my favorite hero in Kannada. Like, so she was not really happy because she was sending messages across to her favorite celebrities, and she was sad that they're not replying. So I made her understand that it's one-sided love from fans to the celebrities or person you're really fond of. But those guys are giving you their love back through their best performances. So the best they can do is that. And in nowadays, I can say since lockdown is in, we can definitely assume that we all have enough time. But these already big celebrities, they really are not
mm.
on their phones, checking DMs or doing that. Plus, that's a different generation altogether.
Yeah,
So you should just keep showering your love unconditionally on them because they're anyways making you happy, right? That's the reason you're
yeah.
like
By
with them.
acting
So
movies. Yeah.
yeah,
What's her name?
her name is Chaitra.
Chaitra. Again, she came back with a comment. If you get
Yeah.
a chance to work with Yash or Darshan, actors of Sandalwood, please accept.
Okay. I would neither deny both of them. I would work with both of them. As of now, I'm working with Ganesh, sir. Golden
Okay.
Star Ganesh, his name as the filmy name. Um, but I work with both Yash and Darshan both. Both.
Okay. Super,
Yeah.
super. And Krish has asked you a question. How you overcome your failures?
Overcoming your failures is something you have to first accept it that yes, it's a failure. Then try to go to the depth to understand why it was a fail. Do not go to the depth of feeling sad about it. Of course, you have felt sad. Accept it and then see what was the reason behind it. And then just try not doing it further. Because people asking me this question is really obvious. I, being a public figure in some way, all my failures or all my successes are in front of everyone, right? So I
Yeah.
have to deal it in a very different way than what maybe normal people have to. But the system is the same. And ignore all the negativity around you. So negativity around me could be connected through social media. Okay, because that is the only way through how I connect with the audience to the world. So there's something negative, there's something positive. So I make sure that I focus on the positive. And negative is going to be there any which ways. If you're little also famous or little also known in any way, even if you're school, even if you're college, your company, wherever you work, then people are going to talk something good, something bad. So it's up to you. You have to acknowledge the good thing and know what is the bad. And if it is really bad, you can acknowledge within yourself that if it is, then you can change it for your betterment, for nothing that people has to do with it.
Okay. So that's the correct thing, right? First, you have to accept it's a failure.
Yeah,
Then everything is. Then you have to deep dive. What is the reason and all those
yeah.
things. And your people are asking, what is your zodiac sign?
I'm a Gemini. 27th of May is my birthday, day before I celebrated. So Gemini.
Okay. What is that? Zodiac sign. Listen, I know in Tamil, but English, what? Gemini?
Gemini, no, it's called
Gemini.
Gemini.
Okay.
Some people say Gemini also, but it's Gemini, I
Ah,
guess.
yeah. Gemini. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Ah.
Uh, but
I don't
we
know. Sorry with the pronunciation. Very.
no, because maybe Gemini might be wrong, but here I have heard Gemini.
No. Gemini,
Yeah.
Gemini.
Yeah. Because we have a movie called Gemini, Vikram says movie, so we are used to it.
So
So we
it
will
is
connect.
Gemini only. Then it is Gemini only. Because I don't follow all this zodiac and I don't even believe into this. So I don't even know proper names, how is it pronounced. So excuse me, guys.
Okay. So, what is the recent movies you watched in this quarantine, and what movies will you recommend for your followers to watch?
Okay, movie wise, I have watched less movies. I've watched more web series, Money Heist, Crown. Crown is really nice, guys. For those who love knowing more about how Queen Elizabeth became the queen and the whole monarchy, you know, then it is really nice. And especially, I'm really fond of watching it the way they talk. You know, they are the British English, the pure accent, which is not even used by the whole Britain country as of now. But yes, the royal language, the way they form a sentence is really pretty. The web series is also in other languages also, if you want to watch it in Tamil or Telugu. But please do watch it. It is nice. Money Heist is also good. You like as all Indian cinema in all Indian cinema, you know, as an audience, we try to ignore all those aspects, which just makes you feel like, what is this? This is impossible. Ah, but it's okay. It's a movie, so let's just watch it. So there are certain moments in Money Heist where you have to ignore it and watch the movie, watch the series. But it's good, acting wise, effort wise. It's nice.
Yeah, super. And many people are saying that your eyes are cute. You look good. So
Thank
tell
you.
about your eyes. Many people have said that, right?
Actually, yeah, many people since childhood I've been getting comments. I don't know, everybody say my eyes are quite expressive. Like, even if things what I do not have to verbally say through words, but my eyes convey it, my eyes do the job. And somewhere I feel my eyes are little notorious, you know. It has a mischievous hint to it. At least when I see my all childhood pictures, I could see that notorious small kid that you know, I still have. Actually, I'm very notorious. Nobody knows this much. My close friends and my mom and dad knows it. Like I keep pranking them all the time, and I'm like, you know, this nani, tati of the house. You can see. I'll be like, hey, do this, hey, do that. Don't do this. You eat this. You don't eat that. I keep doing this to my parents. Now I have become their mom. So again, coming back to talking about my eyes, I think my eyes are more like my father. I'm blessed to have it. And yeah, it's doing great job of expressing things. So I
Yeah,
really do
that's
not
the
have to
main
worry
thing.
about it.
Yeah, and people are correctly saying that you have a cute eyes. But
Thank
when
you.
you did something wrong, you can easily get caught with the dice, right? You will be like this, and people would get caught. You
Yeah,
will get
yeah,
caught, right?
yeah. I have eagle's eye also.
Yeah. So yeah, you can also find any fault
Yeah,
easily with
yeah,
your eyes.
yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
If
So
I am keeping myself much aware about that, I have to make sure if anything is wrong, then definitely I can see it.
super. And next, what is your take on glamorous roles, Vaibhavi?
Take on glamorous role, nothing wrong about it. But I feel over the years, what kind of scripts we have been and what kind of movies we have been watching as an audience also is mainly male oriented. Glamour, wherever glamour is included, people just think that the heroine is going to come for dancing, romancing with the hero, and just somewhere to do, ah, ouch, save me, like that. Okay,
Hmm.
this is what people think. In Bollywood, what I have seen is one movie called as Fashion.
Yeah,
Priyanka
Priyanka
Chopra
Chopra.
and
Yeah.
Kangana Ranaut's Fashion. So that is a glamour movie. You know, that is real glamour, and the movie also shown with various factors in it. But that is what glamour with female dominance in a movie can be like. You know, a movie can
Yeah.
be like that. So in South, I've seen where it is glamour, the heroine is only given a particular kind of character in a movie, not the
Okay.
whole, like not the whole boss of the movie or the hero or the main lead of the movie. This is what I've seen. So I guess our industry also down south is really revolving through times. So it's nice to see that. I'm looking forward to be a part of something revolutionary so that, you know, I could be one of them saying that yes, my movies were the one who took changes
Yeah.
in our industry.
So if you want to do glamour, it should not be. It should not only be for songs and some romantic scenes
Yeah.
with the hero. There has to be
Yeah.
glamour, but with the
There's
scope of
some
acting.
sensibility. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and such kind of scripts should come. Even if I am saying that this should be there, that should be there. If certain scripts are not coming like that on my way or even on XYZ other actresses' way, then we cannot have that kind of a revolution. To have a
Yeah.
change, we have to be the change. So let's see how well we can cope it up.
Yeah, and as you said, you should also get a right script for it, right? So
Yeah, right
that's the
script, right
main.
director, and director plays a major role in any movie, I can say that. Of course, actors are also, like for example, if we take actor like Dhanush, so if there's any director, even if there's a newbie who is coming as a debutant director to work with Dhanush sir, Dhanush sir knows what is his capacities and what best he can give. Okay, so that is one aspect. But if a director is already having an imagination and vision that where he wants his every character to look like this, to act like this, to behave like this. So just in another example, Dhanush sir's brother, Salwa Raghavan sir.
Hmm.
Everybody knows his making system is so strict and tedious because a good actor like STR sir also will have to take like 20 to 25 retakes. It is not that there is something wrong with the actor. It is the director is not compromising, is not ready to compromise even a single ounce. So he
Yeah.
wants that actor to do it in a particular way only. So for example, if I'm holding a this thing like this, then he might just ask for a retake for 20 times. Till then, I don't do like this. It doesn't look nice. It
Hmm.
might be like, okay, now this is something that it is looking nice, and this is something that I have in my mind that only two fingers up, one finger down, other two are here, and with this angle. So he'll say, okay,
Yeah.
so to
Perfect.
match that
Hmm.
wavelength with the actor and director is necessary. So director should also be a stern director that I'm not going to compromise with my imagination. Then only they can give their best.
Yeah. In as you said in Selvaraghavan sir movie also, heroine will have few romantic scenes, but it will be logical and it will be relevant to the movie.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
Selva Raghavan sir's speciality, what I've heard is also that his movies, he'll first give a very nice build up. Like first 20
Yeah.
minutes, he might not show the actress only. But there are talks about the heroine that she's like that, she's this, who is it, who is it? So there is so much of built up and curiosity in the audiences to just like they're waiting that who is that girl? And
Yeah.
once she's come, even one glimpse, it's like wow. That kind of energy to put inside the audience while watching is a power what a director must have.
Yeah. Then after a few scenes in climax, if the heroine gets killed, also audience will feel that from their
Yeah,
heart.
yeah, they cried.
That's the thing you will create.
Yeah, yeah, and
They will
I have
feel the pain. Yeah.
certainly I have felt the pain watching various movies like Raja Rani movie order. Now you can
Yeah.
see there's this small character she plays. Sorry, I forgot the actor's name, but
Nataliya.
Arya Sir's
Nataliya.
fair.
Nataliya.
Yeah. So her role, it was really small, but he made sure in that small time he would connect her with us. That we would
Yeah.
fall in love with her so that when she dies, we are like, shit, yeah, she's dead. Oh God, it's hurting. He's
Yeah.
connected
Definitely.
emotions first. So that should be the power of director, and who is able to do that can do anything. So I want to work with such directors.
Yeah. Definitely. After the lockdown, you will get more opportunities to work with those kind of directors.
Yeah. Also, I would like to mention Anand Balki sir, Sarva Sundaram Gora director. He is like that. Because I've seen first half of the Sarva Sundaram, and the way he has connected whole audience to the characters, they actually feel the pain. They
Yeah.
actually feel what is happening, and I can feel it too. So,
Yeah. Definitely. And we are waiting for that movie to get released. We'll
me
hope.
also, I'm also waiting.
Yeah. Once the movie releases, we will watch and I'll give the review. So
Sure, sure. Kandipa.
I will message you in Instagram.
Kandipa. Kandipa.
Yeah, definitely. In Talks of Cinema also, we will do a movie review and then I'll share the clip. Okay. And
Kandipa.
again, there are many love symbols from your fans. Most of them are saying hi, 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 and almost it's close to 50 minutes. I guess it is.
Yeah, it's been almost
Yeah,
an hour now.
almost an hour, and finally say a big hi because most of them are waiting. Just say hi, please, ma'am. My name, all those stuff.
A big hi to all my lovely people who are here watching this live.
Yeah, and
These are
also,
for everybody, okay? These are for
yeah,
everybody.
yeah, and also we might have missed a few comments and
Yeah.
few things from the fans because obviously we can't reply to everyone.
Yeah.
So maybe next live we can catch up with them. Okay.
For sure, for sure. Would love to catch up with you again live and have
Yeah.
some different kinds of discussions. We can say that because this felt more like a discussion, you know, because so far,
Yeah.
whatever interviews I had, they had mostly rapid fire rounds and asking questions only to me rather than having, you know, a give and take kind
Mhm.
of a conversation. So this was nice. I felt good.
Yeah. Thank you. So I will take it as a compliment.
Yes, definitely. Thank
Yeah.
you.
And definitely we will do a live after your Server Sundar movie releases.
Sure. Pakka.
Yeah, maybe if the situation is okay, we will do it in our studio, or else if it get released in OTT, we will do Instagram live. Okay.
Sure. Pakka.
And yeah, after this, you will get many Ludo requests, I guess, because most of the people are saying, please include me in Ludo game, Ludo
Yes,
game, Ludo
I
game.
will include everybody in the Ludo game. You guys have to go and watch my YouTube video first. I'm
Hmm.
going to just give me like 5 minutes after this live so that I can post the link. Then you comment and tell me how was it, and then I'll select people from it. Then I'll connect to you guys through Instagram, and then I'll share my Ludo code with you, and we can play Ludo.
Yeah, definitely. And I'll also take part in that contest. Okay.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
So please select me. Okay.
Arey, you're the first one, yeah. I'm going to take you only first. Without you, I can't play
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, okay. That's
Yes.
nice to hear. So we'll play. I'll download Ludo King now in my mobile, and then I'll message you in Instagram.
Kandipa,
Okay.
Kandipa,
And
Kandipa.
I'll also speak in Tamil sometime because full English
Tamilla
now.
பேசுறாங்க
Uh,
Tamilla பேசுறாங்க
yeah, final touch only. So ரொம்ப thanks Vaibhavi, and it was nice talking to you like a friend. Interaction வந்து friend மாதிரி தான் இருந்தது, and I also thought that talking to a heroine would be different because they will not open up so easily, but not anything like that. You have been very nice to me.
I'm very nice in
And
general also, not just to you.
yeah, generally, yeah, that's I accept. But
Nandri.
in my point of view, I'm saying,
What?
and what did I say
Yeah.
anything wrong?
No, I said something wrong. I feel that.
Yeah, nothing. You are generally nice to everyone, but I am saying that you are nice to everyone and also nice to me. Okay,
Okay. Thank
correct
you.
only, right?
அப்புறமா பார்க்கலாம்.
Oh, okay. அப்புறமா பார்க்கலாம், and all the very best for all the things you do from Talks of Cinema channel, and see you soon. Stay home, stay safe.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.